Hello there and welcome to 11 Plus English. This particular question is called closed passages or sentence completion, and this is lesson 3. So choose a missing word or group of words that most accurately completes the passage below. So in the passage, in this particular phrase, we have the following sentence. So Ian couldn't wait to go to the zoo and see all the something. So which particular option here will close this passage off and complete this sentence? So in a zoo, we know that people go to see animals. So the option here could be option D, which is animals. So Ian couldn't wait to go to the zoo and see all the animals. So please do the rest of the questions in this task in a very similar fashion and decide out of the 5 options which is the best option that will complete the passage. Thank you and good luck.